In today's video, I'll be showing you how to turn off an alarm on the Samsung Galaxy A35 5G. So first, open the clock app on your phone. Then ensure that the alarm tab has been selected. From here, you should see a list of any and all alarms that you've created on your device. And if you wish to disable an alarm without deleting it from your phone, just tap on the toggle next to it. So for example, I have this alarm labeled breakfast and it's set for 9 a.m. If I wish to turn it off, I'll just tap on the toggle like that. So then you'll be told it will turn back on the next day automatically. So you'll have to keep turning it off if you wish to disable it. So let's do the same thing for the 6 a.m. Tap on the toggle and it will be turned on the next day. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.